Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. When will you die?
Focus on the threat in front of you. Well done. Alright, I will provide this median time for you to go heal. If I hear that rocket, you can't. This isn't Five Nights at Freddy's, you fucking dumb bitch. Oh my god. Fucking horror gameplay, bro.
Holy shit, that's a good impression.
Oh yeah, what the fuck? Yeah. You camping little fuck.
I tried to stop the whole damn.
Yeah. Alright, 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 alright.
God, jump scare.
Do not pay any attention to the man in your base. You fucking fat bitch. Yeah, go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kill this whore. You're mine. Your ass is mine. Yes.
On the roof.
Hello.
Where the
No. Oh, that's register. Okay. I swear, if I didn't get that, I would have fucking creamed. That's the literal definition of blue balls. I just realized. Creaming from frustration. Oh. You know what? That didn't count because I didn't see. I didn't see you. Yeah. Oh my god! You made like the you made like the Gmod like ragdoll collision sound. That was genuinely impressive. Holy shit!
I made the what?
You made like like the Gmod like ragdoll slapping sound. See, you gotta play the mental warfare as well.
Mental warfare. No, my mental ain't working.
That's where you're losing. How are you? No. Wow, you're deaf as well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Erica, please, we can talk about this. I read you so well. Oh! That counts.
Bro, I tabbed out, what the fuck?
I b-hop the fuck out of you. Alright, non-testicle hammer. You!
Know that?
Yeah. Oh god, I'm died. I'm dead. Goodbye.
I'm died, goodbye.
Shut up. Oh! No, no, no. Oh! Oh my god. You know what? I don't care. My play was cooler. And that's all that really matters. It's about the friends we made along the way. Oh, you like watching these type of moments, I see. It made the sting sound. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Our shovels clinked at the same time. I'm dead. Goodbye. Unless...
Fucking fast, you bitch.
This is what you call momentum, baby. Oh god. Disc. My A7 vertebrae really suffering from that. Hola, Sohidora. What the fuck? Pants! Oh, there's no winning, is there? Pussy? Yeah, you don't want to jump this.
I'll jump your arm, bro.
Alright. Yeah! The panic spacebar tabs. Why do you decide to hit me when we're on the ground?
Extra damage.
Oh! Holy shit. But he knew, yeah, he nearly launched, nearly launched you into me. I would have cried if he actually hit me.
I just got...
We should probably go get ourselves a brain.